Her name is Bella.
Can you say hi, Bella?
Yep.
Can you give her love?
Give Bella love. She's your new puppy. So now we got Bella and Sam.
Two more dogs.
We got 2 dogs. Yeah, that's right.
We got 2 dogs.
Aww.
He turns to Sam.
What's that?
He turns to Bella.
Yeah, Bella.
He turns to Bella.
Yeah, she's a little younger than Sam though, so she's got lots to learn.
Hi, sweetie.
All right, well, say hi for your birthday.
Are you excited? Aww. Bella, yeah, that's her name.
But, ow. I like it.
She likes to give kisses.
I like it.
You like it?
Where's the car?
Oh, we walked over here. We're gonna walk home. You ready?
Let's walk back this way. Come on.
Ready?
Ready? Come on, buddy.
You think I'm taking a picture? Should I take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.